onye nwanne na agbaji egwu ụkwụ anya na ada akụ ya tọbụ oke eshi oke gbalaha nwatakịrị ya sị n'ọbụ oke eshi onye gakọ n'ọkụ na mba ọkụ taa ya sọ nwa nkụlụ emeghị ya.
But once reality hits them, you will see them suffering like animals.
Responsible for this very situation.
They don't know the bad governance. What they know is the bad
and as you watch, please give your judgment, your fair judgment.
Street to street, you see them standing in the front of
you will be back alone in I can book NDS opinion TV. I can't watch time. He would give
everything.
Because you and your children learn Okawa. I chop Kabiko,
14 years old baby in the country that gave you Jesus.
I started working
because his has what? Government. Instead of African to use the energy, they are investing in crusade and rubbish night vigil and adoration. Prayer means instead of invest that energy in fighting to have a good governance, they are praying.
Bad leadership in Nigeria today, bad governance is Christianity. The reason for the bad governance is Christianity. The reason for bad leadership in Nigeria. I want to know.
I don't know, year 2009, which one?
In Nigeria today, has the Nigeria that has the Christianity ever taught our leaders not to be moral,
is better than
not to have listening ears,
How we
not
the Catholic that
to do things
they all came out in peaceful protest. How can millions of reverend fathers here come out in peaceful protest to demand for governance with their uniform, including bishop, which police or soldier will
I mean,
but they don't want you to stop suffering because your suffering gives church.
Our leaders do travel abroad.
How many youth do you see in the church in Europe?
Some travel for their medical treatment, some travel to to invest their money, some travel for one reason or the other, some even travel to imitate the governance system of other world. But when they came back,
Jesus cannot help
the opposite side of the foreigners, or the opposite side of the world, or the way they want is what they always practice. We have experience of bad roads in Nigeria, poor electricity, bad infrastructure, and so on and so forth. Name it, whatever you can think of.
Here,
please.
Man is God to man.
Christianity responsible for it.
One peaceful protest from Christian leaders in Nigeria
because
is
this young man
chase away all the cabals in government house in Nigeria who don't want this country to be okay. A lot of our governors and senators want the betterment of this country, but the cabals behind them are tormenting them.
And I want to know,
if you persist them
this plague that you are seeing,
nobody want to lose
where people are queuing up,
but if we stand against those evil, those cabals will run away.
Is Christian faith the reason for this queue, or is the bad leadership in Nigeria?
Once you come out to save a black man,
please,
to tell a black man
I don't just understand why this young man become the Antichrist himself, categorizing Christian faith and so on and so forth. Why his humble beginning and everything, even the philanthropist or whatever he thinks that he is today, the foundation of it is from the Christian foundations. People that are contributing or that contributed to his success today are Christians. Though I'm not worried of his criticism against Christian faith, but I'm only concerned that any slightest thing he will keep on condemning Christians, condemning pastors, condemning this, leaving the government that are responsible for the difficult and hardship of the country.
To fight to have a good governance.
The Naira policies, is it the Christians that made the Naira policies? The policies and implementation of policies in Nigeria, is it the responsibility of Christianity?
What they know is the value of Jesus.
The bad leadership and governance in Nigeria today, is it the responsibility of Christianity?
You see them standing in the
I just want to know.
Hungry never
because I am doing a queer Mathias says that I want to Araga Oga Feze local and
graduate in Africa is praying for job opportunity.
And she can see a global run
14 years old baby in the country that gave you Jesus.
I was
what government? They have good governance. Instead of Africa, and adoration. Prayer minister in fighting to have a good governance. They are praying.
But in the other way around, when you collect the money from the people, use it to invest, use it to do your own business. The estate, the land where you are showcasing today, building estate and whatever you are running, are you telling me that you got those money genuinely on your own business? Can you business in it? What business do you do? What business are you into? Matthias says, I want to know, what business are you into? Tell us your business. Tell us the nature of your business that fetched you such amount of money for you to acquire those land and began to build on them, planning to build estates. I want to know. We want to know
which police or soldier
the business you are into.
It's impossible.
So we'll know how your income, or we'll know the level of your income that will acquire such a piece of land.
How many youths do you see in the church in Europe?
You know, you are not PDP. Matthias says that you are not PDP. People deceiving people, or person deceiving people. You are not PDP. Person deceiving people.
Jesus cannot help you. Jesus never exists to help person. The only thing that
can help you is Christianity today. Bad eggs are everywhere. Evil people are everywhere. Even in the land, it is tradition way. Evil people are everywhere. You can't take away evil from the society. You can't take away evil from the society. Even in the foreign land today, even in Europe, Asia, name it, wherever, you can't take away evil from there. There are people that are gullible there. There are people that are genuine. There are people that are law-abiding, and there are people that also goes against the law.
And if you
those gun runners that shoot people anyhow in the foreign world today, if you trust them, they are from Christian family. If you trust them, they are not even Christian, neither they are Muslim. If you trust them, they are from Muslim families. Trust them from any angle you can. Why things is working out for the foreigners today is because they believe in humanity. They believe in life of sacrifice. That life is so sacrosanct that it cannot be met. I mean, be thrown overboard just like that. But Mathias says, you say you are a traditionalist, but here is your brother, because he criticized, because he said one thing or the other, you went and arrested him with the police and DSS. A traditionalist should or use police and DSS to arrest his own brother for whatever reason? Mathias says, mmadụ na-eji ndị uwe ojii onye si onye ọdịnala. Echem na ị ga-esi ọ bụ na gị na nwanne gị nwee ikpe n'ọdịnala na ị ga-esoro ọdịnala na ị ga-esoro ụsọ ọdịnala kpọkọ ndị nze na ndị ọzọ wee leba ya okwu anya, mana ka eji ndị uwe ojii ga-anata ikike sị natara ikike ga-eji eme onye ọbụla arrest na ihe ndị ọzọ, lee nwanne nwoke alụsị eze ego mee ya arrest. But you are a traditionalist. PDP, Mathias says that we are person deceiving people. Association of personal criminals. APC, that is who you are. Association of personal criminal. Mathias says that you are nothing but a fraudster in disguise. The video we call you now, one man for guy India young weba gave him and here, you did not return the corpse to his family. You are just deceiving people, selling people pass. As a traditionalist, somebody said that you are following tradition. What the essence of traveling to India, traveling to Italy, going this and going that? And you are using the same product of the people you are condemning to run yourself, to enrich yourself. Mathias says, it is high time you trace your way back from where you have coming from. We are watching you. We are watching you, Mathias says, we are watching you. And more of you will keep on to unfold.
Suffering and smiling. See them in the bank, standing since the morning. A race that have failed to fight to have a good governance. I keep looking for Jesus or Holy Spirit to help them. But once reality hit them, you will see them suffering like animals. That is black people. They don't know the value of governance. What they know